Welcome to Jofos IT Services and Trading Enterprise on YouTube. Please subscribe to this educative channel. Sometimes you receive calls from strange lines claiming that they are the administrators of a particular WhatsApp group in which you find yourself. They will begin to tell you that the WhatsApp group has been hacked and that they want to create a new platform, so they sent a special code to you. So they will be demanding that you send them that code. Please, these guys are scammers. This is the new trick they use to hack WhatsApp accounts. Sometimes they will tell you that they are moving the group to Facebook because the group has been hacked, so they sent a special code to you. So they will ask you to mention that code to them. But note this, immediately you give them the code, you can't have access to your own WhatsApp account again. They will use it to do wrong things in your name. So if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, I will teach you how to prevent and what to do when your WhatsApp account has been hacked. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for all. Thank you. Now let's locate WhatsApp on our phones. Long press on the WhatsApp to uninstall the... So select uninstall and click on OK. Let's wait for the WhatsApp to be uninstalled from our phone. After you have uninstalled your WhatsApp, let's go to Play Store to download a new WhatsApp. When you go to Play Store, type WhatsApp to download a new WhatsApp application. Click on Install to download a new WhatsApp application. Please, as we wait for the WhatsApp to be downloaded, please be careful how we share our information with people on this online space, because there are a lot of scammers online hacking people's WhatsApp account to do bad things, and those people will be arrested. So our WhatsApp is almost ready, and I want to also remind you that when these guys call you, tell them that you don't want to join any new WhatsApp platform, you like it the way it is. If not, they will find ways and means to hack your WhatsApp account. Now let's wait for the new WhatsApp application to be installed. Now our WhatsApp is ready, but before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for all, and don't also forget to like and share this video with people to benefit from it. Now let's click on Enable. Click on Open. Now let's go to Agree and Continue. Enter your WhatsApp number. Click on Next to move to the next menu. Confirm if your number is correct or not, and click on OK. A code will be sent to your WhatsApp number after this countdown, so please let's wait for it. As we are waiting for the code, I want to remind you to subscribe to this educative channel on YouTube, because we are going to upload more educative videos. Now the code has been sent, so let me enter it. Please don't share the code with anyone. Now my WhatsApp account is being verified. Account verification is complete now. Click on Continue. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts and media on your device. Please, you have one chance to recover your backup data, so try to do it once and for all. Now let's select a category. I choose Education. You can add a profile picture at once. All the system to initialize. Woo guys, I have successfully recovered. So this is the best way to recover your WhatsApp account when it is hacked by scammers or hackers. So please, if you like these videos, then don't forget to subscribe to this educative channel on YouTube and make sure you turn on the notification bell for all. Let's meet in our next lesson. Thank you.